made an announcement earlier that it's adding Google Photos on Samsung TVs, leaving users with some questions, and now Google's here to answer them. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Users wondered if Google Photos will show up as a standalone app or something more integrated into the TV experience. As it turns out, it's a bit of both. On newer Samsung TVs, Google Photos appears in a few different places across the interface. It's built into Samsung's Daily Board widget, shows up in the Daily Plus row, and is also accessible as its own app through the Daily Plus app launcher. The standalone gives you a full-screen experience, displaying your photo memories, while the other places show smaller selections within the TV's interface. Just sign in via a QR code and it'll link the TV to your Google account. Once connected, users can manage their memories directly, choosing to include or exclude specific people, pets, or time periods. Any adjustments you make carry across devices, so the experience stays consistent whether you're on your phone, tablet, or TV. One thing to keep in mind is that this isn't a full gallery browsing experience. You won't be scrolling through your entire photo library like you would be on a phone or a computer. Instead, it's focused on highlights, pulling from Google Photos Memories feature, which has become a bigger part of how the service presents your content. You can also call it a passive viewing experience rather than an interactive one. It's basically designed to surface moments rather than act as a full archive on the big screen. It just offers you glimpses of the fun times you had while you turn up your TV to binge your favorite show. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.